we are in the planting phase. We are in the investment phase. What we are doing right now is investing, even for you. And so when people see these numbers out there, I don't know, human brain, the way it works, if you've done business, you know, the money you collect is not what goes to the founder's pocket.
Umekuwa ndani ya Potiphar's house bro, unaingia prison.
Hey, wallahi umeiput so correctly. Oh my God.
Really call me make.
Yeah, manze. Yo, on a personal level, it was crazy. Because this is 2014. So at mother-in-law, kuna mrembo pale nimechikicheki na kafiti. Kit. Na ameingia box. So 2014, when I'm making the move, is when we are like, I think we are serious enough.
Wow.
Let's do life together. So when my money has been more than halved, and I used to be a single guy, now I have a family.
My guy.
So it was crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know, but yeah.
You met Kit on Mother-in-Law?
Yes.
She was one of the actors there?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes. Wewe uko na watch local.
Ni kweli. Hata siwezi lie. Mimi nilikuwa kwa YouTube.
Ulikuwa kwa YouTube.
Niliingia wetu mapema tu meet.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. So for the record, you met, you know, I didn't know me. I didn't watch Mother-in-Law.
Yeah.
So you met Kate on Mother-in-Law.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, she was an actress there. Yeah.
What got to the point where you decided nataka to settle down?
I mean, by 2014, I mean, tulianza kuchokozana 2012 hapo. So
okay.
By 2013 beginning, it was serious.
Yeah.
It was a full-on relationship. So by 2014, things we wanted to tulikuwa hiyo age, yeah, let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's do life together. So we just flowed into it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want the juice, go to Abel's channel. Hapo ndio unapata the juice. Anyway, let's continue with your journey. So, you guys start this. Your story. I don't want to leave out some of these aspects. I understand that your income halved.
Yeah.
Responsibilities
doubled,
tripled.
Yeah.
And then now you and Abel are doing this other thing. Its success is at least now you're happy. Your ideas work.
Yes.
Your baby, you guys. You see, before it was somebody else's.
Yeah.
This is yours.
Right.
What to explain now?
Oof. It's a very difficult place to be in, and nowadays I'm very keen to notice it in new and upcoming actors and content creators where your content is doing so well, but it's not translating.
Kwa
mfuko. It's a very scary place to be in, because everyone, including your relatives and anyone, is like, hey, you guys, do you have a loose million you send me? And this has been a constant running even now. Like what people assume we make, na reality kwa ground. The other day I was in a radio station and the presenter called me a billionaire. I'm like,
the only B I know is B for Baroque.
Yo, I'm like, nikakubali nikasema ndio, we are working towards it. That's the goal.
I'll call it.
There's our industry is show business.
Yeah.
You show the business. And of course, when you're showing the business, it looks very flowery, but that's not the truth.
But feel.
Yeah.
6,000 guys at your gig.
Right.
6,000.
Yeah.
Each of them paying 3,000. Quick math sees 18M, if I'm not wrong. You get it?
Let me shock you.
Or is it yes, it's 18M. 3 zeros from that one and 306 times 318.
Right.
Yeah.
So people do that math. They don't do the math of what it takes to get 6,000 people there. They don't do the math of how much it costs. This is the biggest screen. I think we're still waiting for the data, but I think this is the biggest screen ever set up in Africa. If you've done events, you know how much screens cost. Now do the sound for 6,000 people. Do the lobby, the foyer. Do the bro.
Do the setup. Setup si siku moja. Kwa hivyo nalipa venue siku ngapi?
Venue peke yake, venue unapigwa ka 3 mic per day. So, and if you came for the show and you've seen, we didn't have sponsors. It was self-sponsored. So basically, all that money, those ticket prices, what it did is just offset the cost.
And it will break even.
Break even. Believe it or not, we've not made any money from the Trinity experience.
Wow.
But again, why that is not hurting to us, it's because we are very clear of where we are at in our journey. Right now, our journey is to make cinema going cool again. We want to make film cool again. So right now is not when we make money. You're on film number 3. We will make money at film number 10.
Wow.
And it helps when you're very clear where you're at. Right now is not when we make money because we are building. So now, because we've done 6,000 people, they're corporate somewhere and they're watching and they're like, oh, next time I'd want to be part of this. You make the money when the sponsors start coming in, when the corporates start coming in. Right now, Trinity Experience is a tool. It's a hyping tool. It's a marketing tool.
I get it. The other day I did a gig. 50 people, each person paying 30 Gs.
Yeah.
Kwa social media, msee moja alise, yani wataka kutengeneza 1.5 million tu hivi. I looked at the guy, I said, I'm already making a loss even though I sell out.
Yes.
But we do it for a reason.
We are in the planting phase. We are in the investment phase. What we are doing right now is investing, even for you. And so when people see these numbers out there, I don't know, human brain, the way it works, if you've done business, you know, the money you collect is not what goes to the founder's pocket. There's rarely money going into the founder's pocket. So people see the numbers, they assume, oh, you're making all this money to yourself. No, we're not making the money, we are investing. Tyler Perry, I think, is the best example I can give. He did plays and films for, I think, 30 years before they started paying him.
Wow.
Tyler Perry has become a billionaire in the last, 3-4 years? Is when he hit a B. And that's because he had a body of work. A catalog of like 30 years that he was able to sell.
Okay, I love this. And we're going to spend some time on the Trinity experience.
All right.
And even this event in world that you guys have gone into. But first, at this point, the reason why you said it is because now people are seeing you on say umsewa Tidy High. Say you wanafanya hii kitu.
Yes.
Househelps of Kawangware.
Yeah.
They don't know you're on a salo. It doesn't matter how many 10 sponsors came. There's nothing else you're making.
There's nothing else you're making.
Your 80 Gs, whether it's watched by the whole country or not.
Not. That's it. Maximum.
Wow.
Yeah.
So at that time, but then are you happy?
Oh man, I am happy. Absolutely. I have a new home, new wife. I'm doing my thing. We're doing our show. It's the biggest show in the country. So we are like, by the way, tukona kitu. We are good at this. We are good at this. So yes, I am happy. Broke. but happy.
Question. Transition.
Yeah.
From this stage to this stage, had you made a goal on how long you wanted to be at this stage? Did you put milestones of this Househelps of Kawangware? Right. Or had you gotten fatigued at this other stage? Did you feel you had hit a glass ceiling? I'm asking many questions. But
yeah. So by the time we're getting Househelps of Kawangware, we are very clear at this point, it's our company. We want our company name out there. We want our brand out there. But at that point, we don't have any negotiating power to have our logo on the show.
Ah.
You know, so we do Househelps of Kawangware, 104 episodes. That's 50.
Is that all you're doing?
2 years. We do it for 2 years. After 2 years, we are like, when we came into this, we wanted to build our company. At this moment, it's not building our company. So for us, after 2 years, we were like, this is a non-negotiable. We genuinely just want our company logo up there. We want our company to be known. And when we couldn't get that offering or that deal, but it was, we made a call with Abel. It was less than a minute. Hey, Buddha, so tusipokubali kuitwa kama partners itakuwaje? Bros, tunaondokea. Okay, wazi. That's how we walked away from Househelps of Kawangware.
What year is this?
This is now 2016. Buddha, hatujui tunaenda kufanya nini. Hatuna job. Sasa tumeingia wapi? Prison. We. No, tulienda 2014 tuliingia prison ya general population, Gen Pop. Sasa 2016 tumeingia solitary confinement. No job. None. And we've walked away. We both have families now. 2016 is probably the hardest and brokest year I've ever had.